Welcome to BobCAD-CAM. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to go from a simple image to a fully embossed 3D mold using the BobCAD-CAM art system. First, right-click on the Image tab and select Load Image. Choose the image you want to work with. We'll be using a bottle illustration from the library. Once the image is loaded, we need to scale it. In earlier versions of the software, resizing wasn't possible at this stage, but now you can adjust dimensions directly. To make it easier to see our vector lines later, let's increase the image's transparency. Next, we move on to Vectorization. Click the Vectorize button and adjust the threshold slider to control how much detail is extracted. You'll see the changes update in real time. The software gives you instant feedback so you can dial in the right level of accuracy before committing. Once satisfied, we click Apply and move the resulting vector geometry to a new layer. We'll call this layer Profile. Now let's find the center of the bottle using the Line tool. Just click and drag along the design. The system will snap and align automatically, helping you find the bottle's center line quickly. Next, go to Utilities, then Quick Trim, and remove the geometry on one side of the center line. With the profile ready, create a new layer and name it Solid. This gives us a clean half profile that we can use for revolving. Then go to Create 3D Revolve. Select your profile geometry, define the center line as your axis of rotation, and revolve it 360 degrees. This creates a full 3D bottle model based on the vector outline. Now let's create the mold around the bottle. Draw a rectangle that surrounds the entire bottle shape. This will define the boundaries of your mold block. With the rectangle and bottle solid ready, go to Create 3D, then Imprint. First, select the rectangle, then the bottle solid. Use the reverse option to subtract the bottle shape from the block. Adjust the depth or offset as needed to ensure a clean imprint. Now we have a complete 3D mold. The next step is to convert the mold into an artistic emboss. Create a new layer named 2D, then go to Create 2D, then Extract Edges and select the mold solid. This gives us a wireframe outline of the mold's shape. Using the Line tool, draw horizontal and vertical lines to define the placement of your logo. These lines will act as visual guides. Go to the Art tab and make sure your canvas size matches the mold dimensions. This ensures the embossed surface fits perfectly. Select Emboss from Solid, choose the 3D mold solid, and click Apply. This will convert the 3D geometry into an embeddable surface within the art system. Now let's add a logo to the design. Return to the Art tab and choose Emboss from Image. You can use a variety of image formats here, including JPEG, PNG, PSD, and more. We'll start with the Budweiser logo. Place it within the guidelines and use the on-screen controls to scale and position the image exactly where you want it. Once positioned, click Apply and regenerate the preview. If needed, use the Smooth Embossing function to soften sharp edges or enhance surface quality. Want to try a different design? No problem. Load a new image, like the Fanta logo, re-sign it, and reposition it just like before. You can even unlink the aspect ratio to stretch the design if needed. Click Apply again, and the new logo will appear cleanly embossed into your mold surface. At this point, your embossed 3D mold is complete and ready for machining. In the next video, we'll cover how to program this part using BobCAD-CAM's powerful 3-axis system. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial gave you a clear look at how easy and powerful the art system in BobCAD can be.